Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20A, question number 9, class 9. Find the area and perimeter of the quadrilateral ABCD given below. If AB is 8 centimeter, AD is 10 centimeter, BD is 12 centimeter, DC is 13 centimeter, and DBC is 90 degree. We can see that the quadrilateral ABCD is made up of two triangles, that is triangle ABD and triangle BDC. Now if we find the area of both the triangles, we get the total triangle of the area of the total quadrilateral. So first we will find the area of triangle BDC. BDC is a right angle triangle. Fine. Now we know the area of a right angle triangle is half base into height. Now first let's put down the values. AB is 8, AD is 10, BD is 12 and DC is 13. Right? Now to find the area of triangle BCD, we need base BC. Base is BC and height is BD, right? So height we have, height is BD and base is BC. We have the height but we don't have the base BC. So using the Pythagoras theorem, we will find the base BC using the Pythagoras theorem. Because it is a right angle triangle, we can find the base. So Pythagoras theorem, what is the thing? The DC is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle is equal to DB square plus BC square. Fine. We have to find BC square. So from hypotenuse square, we will minus the perpendicular, that is the height square. Fine. This is the Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse is this in a right angle triangle. This longest side is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now BC square will be how much? What is DC given? It is 13 square, right? So 13 square minus DB. DB is 12 square. That is BC square is equal to BC is, first let's do BC square. That will be better. BC square is 169 minus 144, that is 25. BC square. So BC will be root 25, that is plus minus 5. We will take plus because it's a side. Fine. Now what we will do, we got the side, that is base. So what will be the area of triangle BCD? It will be half base into height. What is the base? BC is the base and we found BC as 5 and height is 12. 2, 6 2s are 12. So 630 centimeters square is the area of BCD. Now we will find the area of triangle ADB or ABD, anything you can say. ABD is a scalene triangle because all the sides are different. So using Heron's formula, which formula we will use? Heron's formula. Heron's formula states area is root under S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. What is S? S is the sum of all the sides divided by 2, that is semi-perimeter. And A, B, C are sides. Okay. So what is S? First let's calculate. That is 8 plus 10 plus 12 divided by 2, that comes out to be 15. We'll add this and divide it by 2. So this is 15. So area will become, what are the different sides? One side is 8, one side is 10, one side is 12. So S, we'll write 15, S minus 8, that S minus A. 15 minus 8, 15 minus 10 and 15 minus 12. Fine. So A will become root 15. 15, this is all multiplied. 15 minus 8 is how much? 7. 15 minus 10, 5. 15 minus 12, 3. Now, instead of multiplying the whole thing and then finding the square root, that will become tedious. So what we will do, we will factorize the terms which are not in prime factors. So 15 can be written as 5 into 3 into 7 into 5 into 3. The rest as it is. And 15 I have written as 5 into 3. Now I can make pair. 3 ka pair, 5 ka pair. We know in the square root, we out of the pairs we take out one number. So out of 5, let's make a pair and show you. Fine. So out of this root 5 into 5, I'll take out 1 5. 3 into 3, I will take out 1 3. And 7 has no pair, so it will be under root only. So this will become 5 3s are 15 root 7. Fine. So area of which ADB is 15 root 7 centimeters square. So total area of the quadrilateral will become total area or area of quadrilateral will become area of right angle triangle, that was 30, and area of ADB 15 root 7. So together this much centimeter square. Now the second job is to find the perimeter. You can put here second. Perimeter. Perimeter is sum of the boundaries. Not only the boundaries, sum of boundaries. So what is the perimeter? Let's see the diagram. So here AB plus BC plus DC plus AD is the perimeter, and BC we calculated, that came out as 5. So the perimeter will become, I'll write it down, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, that is 8 plus 5 plus 13 plus 10. This comes out to be 36 centimeter. So 36 centimeter is the perimeter and area is 30 plus 15 root 7. So this is your area.